Hey, what's going on, my friend Garrett here. Now, a lot of people have been asking me lately, how in the world have I been able to generate, $2,000 commissions almost on a daily basis? They've maybe seen my Facebook posts or, my Instagram story where I'll share that, the commissions. In fact, today, at the time of recording, I was able to generate yet another $2,000 commission. And I'll show a screenshot here. That's my Stripe account, which is one of the places that I collect income from products that I promote online. Now, what I want to share with you inside this video is 2 secret keys that most gurus are not sharing with you online. If you watch a lot of other people's videos, they'll give you, some vague, unspecific answer. And the reason is they just want to motivate you to, just kind of do whatever they're promoting, right? They're not actually in it to help people. Now, I remember about 5 years ago, I was still struggling as a waiter. I had dropped out of college. I was really struggling to make ends meet. And I remember telling myself when I started researching how to make money online, I remember, watching video after video and hearing people spew this, confusing or conflicting information. You'd watch one person's video, they'd say one thing, you'd watch another, they'd say another thing, and you never know who to listen to. I remember telling myself that if I ever discovered something that was working, I was going to share it, because I personally believe in abundance. I don't believe in scarcity. I don't believe that there's a limited amount of money to go around. I believe in, I want everyone to succeed. I want my team, to be eating lavish meals, traveling the world, living the freedom lifestyle, right? So that's why in this video, I want to share with you 2 secret keys I've been using to generate these $2,000 or more commissions every single day, okay? So the first key that I personally learned over, years of doing this is you want to drive high quality clicks to an offer online. The way you're gonna make money online, the easiest, in my personal opinion, my 5 years of experience, is promoting someone else's offer. Very simply, this is called affiliate marketing. You've probably heard this from a lot of people. The reason is, if you go out there and try to create your own product, you have to deal with a lot of testing. I personally created a few products that failed miserably. I spent months tweaking and testing, and then I launched it, and I made no money at all. Okay, it was a massive failure. And I realized that the easiest way to make money online is to find a product that's already selling, right? People are already buying it, and then just recommend people to that product and earn a commission, earn money for doing the job of recommending people, okay? But the issue people have is they're not sending high quality clicks, high quality people to that offer. See, if you're getting, people in third world countries, or people that don't have money, or, people that aren't interested in what you're promoting, a lot of people, when they want to make money online, they'll promote products or business opportunities to people that don't, have a job mentality. You want to avoid people that don't realize, you have to give it some time online, people that aren't serious, people that aren't willing to put, 30, 60 days into creating life-changing income with a opportunity, right? So you want to avoid those people. So you want to focus on getting high quality people. The more high quality people you can send, the more money you're going to make. This is one of the secrets I've been using to generate these $2,000 commissions. Now, once you have that in place, this is the second pitfall. I see so many of my students, so many of the people, before they join me, they've confided that they've been going wrong with this. And I want to steer clear of this, because this is a dirty little secret another, so-called gurus will not let you in on. And it really ticks me off. And that's why I'm really sharing this video with you, to save you time, save you effort, and just allow you to achieve life-changing income as fast as possible. The second key is you want to send those high quality people to a high converting funnel. Okay, what is a high converting funnel? This basically is something that has a capture page, okay, which is a website that collects the person's email address. It has a good sales video in place, a high converting sales video. What does that mean? That means that a high percentage of people that watch that video are gonna pull out their credit card, go to the order form, and decide to buy, okay? Because if you're sending, it doesn't matter how high quality the person is, if you're sending them to an offer or a funnel or a system that is not high converting, that's not getting average newbies who are brand new sharing their links, aren't getting those people to make sales, then you're going to continue to chase your tail. You're going to continue to go from thing to thing, blaming the thing and not realizing that, if you just had all these pieces in place, you'd be able to succeed beyond your wildest dreams. So how do you find a good system? Because chances are, if you're not new to trying to make money online, you've maybe invested your effort, your time, your resources, maybe even your money into different opportunities, programs out there that promise the world but never actually delivered. And that was my experience too. What you want to look for is a system that has a lot of testimonials, a lot of other people getting results. So recently, okay, I've been promoting online for about 5 years and I've tried a lot of different systems, but usually I would have to still create the capture pages, or I'd have to try to figure out the sales message, or create my own content, or follow up with people manually, write out emails and have to learn all this sales psychology. And most people, the average person that maybe has a family, maybe they have kids, maybe they're working a job, 2 jobs, they just don't have the time to go through all that effort and training to do. So what I came across recently was a system that has all that done for you. It even includes training on how to get those high quality visitors to the front of it. And then once they go in, it explains all of it for you. It follows up with people for you. And that's how, not just myself, but people from all over the world, different countries, different ages, people that are brand new are able to make their first $1,000, their first $2,000 commission. In fact, real quick, I'll share me scrolling in the Facebook group of this system, not to impress you, but to impress upon you that you can do this too. It doesn't matter your background. I personally was a C student. I struggled for many years, but this system has been working for every single person that's really applied it and given it, a decent, 1 to 2 weeks of just following the simple system. Okay. So what I want to invite you, my friend, is if you are looking for something that's legit, you're looking for something that's going to make you life-changing income, there's going to be a link to a free webinar in the description. When you put your email in on that page, you're going to get sent more information. That way, if I'm sleeping or if I'm relaxing outside with family, you'll be able to, get that email with the information no matter what time of day you go to my website. And watch that webinar. Okay, it's about an hour or so. Really focus on that, because as you've seen in the results in this video, this is life-changing and it's only getting better. Check it out. Set up your system, and then just use the training to send either free or paid advertising visitors to the front of it. And I promise you, you are not going to find a more high converting system this year and in recent times, my friend. I'm telling you, it's life-changing. That's the only reason I'm shooting this video, is because I'm sick of tired of people getting led astray, by different gurus and different people. Okay, so if you're interested, check that out. And if you want to go somewhere else, again, there's other systems out there. You can try to, find them yourself, but apply those 2 secrets that I shared, because this is literally the key that I've been using and my students have been using. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value, be sure to click the like button below. Also, be sure to subscribe for my weekly training videos, and I'm going to share more info on how you can make the income you truly want. And again, if you want access to that free webinar while it's still available, go down below, check that out, and I really think you're going to be blown away. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.